It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're sitting down here in Point Roberts, Washington in the marina here. We have a CNC 30 and 1980 model. These were a iconic Canadian built boat by one of the premier yacht builders of the 70s, 80s, and the 90s. A CNC 30, a classic model boat in great condition. Owners have decided to sell it. It's in top-notch condition at this moment for a CNC 30 and realistically priced. Has a Bruce anchor on it, has a newer Harken Furling system on it, whisker pole there, Dodger in good condition, a little Yanmar diesel, a 2GM, I believe it is. We're going to do a startup video too, but I always like to do a walk around video so you can see from my perspective, exactly what we're selling. It's a 1980 CNC 30 with assumable moorage in Point Roberts, Washington. Canadian boat available for sale to Canadians only at this moment. If you're an American, you're interested in buying this boat, you need to give me a call. We can discuss how you go about purchasing this boat. What a great looking boat. It's a CNC 30 1980 model, ready to go cruising today. Has a beautiful interior. It's been lovely upgraded. Somebody's going to get themselves a great little cruising boat at not a whole lot of money with inexpensive, assumable moorage, which is a sort of a rare thing in the marine world today. Nice boat. Nice shape. Lazy jacks there. Harken Furling. Nice setup. Radar reflector up there. A little Dickinson barbecue. You can go boating this weekend on this model. Again, we really appreciate you watching our walk around video on our CNC 30 1980. We're going to do inside video. Please watch.